Unraveling the Phrase, Not Mince Words. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English expression, not mince words. This phrase is widely used, but what does it really mean? We'll explore its meaning, usage, and origins to ensure you can use it confidently in your daily conversations. Let's unravel the mysteries of this intriguing expression together. Not mince words is an idiom that means to speak directly and frankly, without trying to soften the message or being diplomatic. When someone does not mince words, they express their thoughts openly and honestly, even if it's blunt or might offend someone. It's the opposite of beating around the bush or sugarcoating the truth. To grasp the phrase better, let's look at some examples. In a meeting, the manager did not mince words when he said the project's performance was unacceptable. In personal relationships, I appreciate it when my friends do not mince words and tell me the truth, even if it's harsh. These examples show that not mincing words can be valuable in clear communication, but it also requires sensitivity to the listener's feelings. The phrase, not mince words, dates back to the 16th century. Originally, mince referred to cutting food into small pieces. Metaphorically, mincing words meant to modify or soften one's speech for politeness or clarity. So, when you do not mince words, you're choosing not to soften or alter your speech but to keep it direct and straightforward. Not mincing words is useful when clarity is crucial, and there's no room for misunderstanding. However, it's important to use this manner of speaking wisely and considerately. Being too blunt can sometimes be perceived as rude or insensitive. Here are a few tips. Know your audience. Be more cautious in formal settings or with people you're not close to. Balance honesty with empathy. Being honest is good, but also consider the other person's feelings. Today, we explored the phrase, not mince words, understanding its meaning, usage, and origins. While it's a powerful way to communicate honestly and directly, remember to use it judiciously and empathetically. We hope this video helps you speak English more confidently and effectively. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.